An animal tranquilizer is infiltrating the illicit drug market. And unlike opioids, it's resistant to Narcan.
The sedative, xylazine, is being laced into drugs like fentanyl. And TV5's James Felton tells us the deadly cocktail is already on the streets in Michigan.
This is very concerning.
Sergeant Stephen Moore with the Michigan State Police talking about the mixture of fentanyl and xylazine. Xylazine is a sedative that's used on animals.
It's not an opioid, meaning naloxone, or also known as Narcan, may not reverse its effects when it's mixed with it,
which could lead to more deaths from overdose. Moore tells us even those who survive after taking fentanyl and xylazine might be changed for life.
People who inject xylazine with repeated exposures can develop severe wounds, including necrosis, literally the rotting of the flesh, which can even lead to amputation.
Moore says fentanyl laced with xylazine is here in the Great Lakes State.
The Michigan State Police Bridgeport Crime Lab has seen xylazine in samples with fentanyl, so it is in the area.
And Moore believes this is an issue that will only get worse.
We expect this to continue to be a problem and continue to see an increase in this. And I think as long as there's a demand for it, there will somehow be a supply. So it's very much a problem and a concern to law enforcement as well as medical personnel that we're looking into.
James Felton, WNEM, TV5.
Now, according to the Michigan State Police, about 15 to 20% of fentanyl samples statewide contain xylazine.